I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Today's video is a bit of a dog's breakfast. It's harbor freight, it's dumpster diving, it's tool reclamation, and it's finding out what's inside things. This is something for picking up things from a distance. Works quite well. Guess where I got it? Yep, Harbor Freight. I was over in Kalamazoo and I went by Harbor Freight, stopped in the back and checked out the dumpster. Here was this little gripper thing laying in the bottom. When I picked it up, it wouldn't work. This handle was just flopping around in there loose. I thought, well, I've never seen what the inside of one of these looks like. I've got a couple of them. They were one of the free items. You could get a coupon and buy one of these free for nothing as long as you bought something else. They're kind of cool. They got a little rubber tip on them so they grip things. And this handle, you're supposed to be able to pull that in, and then that makes the gripper close. Before we try and assemble this, give ourselves some slack up inside the handle. And the easiest way to do that is to close this and just put a rubber band on it. That holds it together and gives us some slack on that cable. This cable end has to fit down into that slot. And we want that cable end to be laying down in that, just like that. This linkage piece goes down in and engages that part there and pushes on that cable. The way it does that is that bar here goes on the back side of this wall. When I push down on the rod, that causes the cable to pull back. So I need to put that bar up into the handle, then rotate this around and catch it into the plastic sides of this thing. Then spread the housing and drop that in. Now I have the handle assembled. When I remove the rubber band off the grippers, that puts tension on the cable. So now with the grippers released, whenever I depress the handle, it closes the grippers. This is a $2.99 item that came out of the dumpster at Harbor Freight. It's fixed. It was a simple little fix, but it's also not a very valuable item. Was it worth fixing? Well, of course. Everything is worth fixing if all it takes is just a little imagination. Besides that, didn't you always want to know what the inside of this handle looked like? I did. I had a broken one. I figured it wasn't out anything if I broke it further. So I disassembled it, figured out how it worked, put it back together again, and now I have two. Do I need two? Probably not. But I can put one in the garage, one down here in the basement. I have one in the kitchen for getting things off the top shelf. Lydia likes that. I also Can get the dog bones when the dog tends to throw them underneath the cabinets or wherever. And anything that you want to get at arm's reach, this will do it. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know, I read them all. Thanks for watching.